Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And also welcome back to another best out of waste episode where I'm going to use peanuts. Yes, you heard that right. Peanuts, which we call as moongfali in Hindi. So basically we are going to use the cover of it, and that is our main thing basically for the craft that I'm going to make today, for which I need of course peanuts, fevicol, cardboard or any delivery box or any hard sheet, satin ribbon or twine, any kind of paints, brushes, and then our common stationery like compass, scissors, and any type of tape. Also, do let me know in comments whether you like boiled peanuts to eat or roasted peanuts. The method to do this home decor is also really simple. Firstly, I had a normal hard sheet with me, so I just took that, and then I took compass and I drew a circle and cut the hard sheet in the shape of the circle. And then behind that I pasted I had the satin ribbon, so I pasted that, but you can also paste twine. Any one of these is fine. Paste it, and once it's dried we will stick the tape as well for firmness, so that our hanging is ready. Then now turn the hard sheet and start pasting the outer the outer cover of the peanut. Here I was really confused whether I have to, what should I do? Shall I paste it the open side of the peanut, the inner side, or the outer side? So because I couldn't decide, what I did here was I pasted half of the sheet with the outer side and half of the sheet with the inner side, and that is how I covered the entire circle. Pasted these peanut covers with fevicol, and once it was dried I then painted it completely, and that's it. Your home decor with peanut covers is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.